Upgrade your home workouts with the best wall-mounted chin-up bar. Designed for stability and strength, this space-saving bar helps you build muscle and endurance with ease. Let's dive in. Number 1. Fitarc Joist Mount Pull-Up Bar. For those serious about strength training at home, the Fitarc Joist Mount Pull-Up Bar offers a versatile and robust workout solution. Designed specifically for secure joist mounting, this pull-up bar ensures maximum stability and safety during workouts. Constructed with a thicker weight-bearing tube, it boasts impressive load-bearing capacity, making it suitable for users of various fitness levels. The sturdy structure guarantees stability, preventing unnecessary movement or wobbling. Additionally, its electronic spraying technology enhances durability by preventing paint chipping, ensuring a long-lasting, sleek appearance. Comfort plays a significant role in any workout routine, and this pull-up bar doesn't disappoint. Featuring non-slip, high-density foam handles, it provides a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue and prevents slipping, even during intense sessions. The thickened, wear-resistant, and waterproof handle material ensures longevity while maintaining safety for users. This allows for extended workouts without compromising on comfort. Installation is straightforward but requires a solid and secure joist. It is important to note that this bar should not be mounted on drywall or any thin wall material. The manufacturer provides clear instructions and an installation video to facilitate the setup process, ensuring that users can securely install the bar with ease. The Fitarc Joist Mount Pull-Up Bar is an excellent addition to any home gym, providing a convenient and effective way to work out multiple muscle groups, including the back, chest, arms, and shoulders. Number 2. Multifunctional Wall-Mounted Pull-Up Bar Chin. The Yes4All Multifunctional Wall-Mounted Pull-Up Bar is a dynamic and durable piece of equipment, ideal for those looking to build upper body strength with a variety of exercises. This 2-in-1 gym equipment integrates a pull-up bar with a dip station, offering a comprehensive workout solution for users at any fitness level. Whether you're targeting back, shoulders, arms, triceps, or abs, this bar provides the necessary support to enhance your strength training routine. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this wall-mounted pull-up bar ensures maximum stability and durability. With a weight capacity of up to 515 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of users, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced athletes. The robust structure prevents unnecessary movement, allowing for safe and effective workouts. This pull-up bar is ideal for various exercises, including pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, leg raises, push-ups, and even boxing workouts. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any home gym setup. Comfort is another key feature of this pull-up bar. It includes high-density back and arm cushions that provide adequate support during exercises, preventing strain or discomfort. The tear-resistant padding ensures durability, making it a long-term investment for fitness enthusiasts. The design prioritizes ergonomic support, enabling users to maintain proper form and maximize their workouts. Installation is made easy with 4 strong suspension anchors that ensure a secure setup. It is compatible with concrete brick, solid cement walls, and solid red brick walls. However, it should not be installed on hollow brick walls, honeycomb brick walls, drywall, or sandwich panels. This installation guidance ensures the safety and longevity of the equipment. Number 3. Rage Fitness Mount Pull-Up Bar. The Rage Fitness Mount Pull-Up Bar is built for those who want a reliable and heavy-duty pull-up bar for intense workouts. With a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, this bar can support users of all sizes, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced athletes. Designed with 11-gauge steel construction, this pull-up bar ensures long-lasting durability and stability. Safety is a top priority, and the sturdy design prevents unnecessary movements, giving users confidence during their workouts. One of the standout features of this pull-up bar is its 36 inches of wall clearance, allowing for unrestricted movement. Whether performing chin-ups, pull-ups, hanging leg raises, or other upper body exercises, users can achieve optimal body positioning. This extra space is especially useful for those who incorporate dynamic movements into their routine, such as kipping pull-ups or muscle-ups. Installation is straightforward, with the ability to mount the bar either vertically or horizontally on a ceiling or concrete wall. This flexibility allows users to adapt the setup to their preferred workout environment. The package includes mounting hardware, making the installation process hassle-free. Number 4. Onetwofit Pull-Up Bar for Doorway. The Onetwofit Pull-Up Bar for Doorway is a well-engineered fitness tool designed for those who need a stable and space-efficient pull-up bar. Unlike traditional models, this pull-up bar fits securely on a doorframe, allowing easy access to upper body workouts without requiring permanent installation. Stability is a key feature, as it fixes securely to the doorframe, ensuring a safe and effective workout. Constructed from thickened steel, this pull-up bar supports up to 440 pounds. The foam grips provide added comfort, allowing users to train for extended periods without hand strain. Its multifunctional design enables a variety of workouts, including pull-ups, push-ups, and sit-ups, making it a versatile fitness tool. Unlike conventional pull-up bars, this model does not need to be removed after use. Its design ensures that users can enter and exit the room without obstruction. Additionally, the foam protector prevents damage to door frames, preserving their appearance. Number 5. Yes Pull-Up Bar Wall Mounted. The Yes 4 All-Wall Mounted Pull-Up Bar is a reliable and sturdy fitness tool designed for home workouts, ensuring maximum durability and support. Constructed from heavy-gauge steel, this pull-up bar offers a robust frame that can withstand intense training sessions. The black powder coating not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also serves as a protective layer against rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed to fit both 16-inch and 24-inch stud spaces, this pull-up bar provides flexibility in installation, making it suitable for various home setups. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, this bar is built to endure repeated use without compromising stability, making it an excellent investment for your home gym. This pull-up bar supports a dynamic and effective training experience. With an impressive weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, this pull-up bar is built to accommodate a wide range of users. Its heavy-duty construction ensures that it remains stable even after prolonged and rigorous use. This durability makes it ideal for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking for a reliable and long-lasting training tool. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.